guys, Mr. Mackie here. Now yesterday I was showing you the difference in imperial and metric units for capacity, more specifically litres, gallons, pints, quarts, and the challenge I set you was to find out how many pints make up 10 litres, how many gallons make up 10 litres, and how many quarts make up 10 litres. So here's what you do. For the pints one, you divide 10 by 0.57 because 0.57 makes up 1 pint, so we need to find out how many makes up 10. Now obviously when we do this we won't get a whole number, so I'm going to do this to 2 decimal places. Now when you enter it in your calculator you will get 17.54385965. I'm going to do it to 2 decimal places, so it's 17.54 pints. That's a lot of pints of milk, I'll tell you that. Now let's do it for gallons. So we divide 10 by 4.5 and you will get 2.2222222222222 stop. So what you do is you do it to 2 decimal places, so it becomes 2.22 gallons. Finally, how many quarts make up 10 litres? So you divide 10 by 1.14 and that will get you 8.7719929825. To 2 decimal places, it's 8.77 quarts. Now we're going to be doing one more method of doing imperial to metric conversions. We've done distance, we've done capacity, but there's one we haven't gone over yet. Let's check it out now. Weight. Because we're looking at weight. Now the most common weights you've probably heard of are milligrams, grams and kilograms. Whenever you go in a shop and you, for example, want to buy a bag of flour, you will see it in kilograms, which is a K and a G. But the imperial measurements that we use are stone, pound, ounce and ton. Now stone is one you've probably seen a lot whenever you weigh yourself. Usually on scales you get it in terms of kilograms, but in America you will always get it as stones or pounds. Now 1 stone is the equivalent of around 6.35 kilograms, which is quite big actually. 1 pound is the equivalent of about 0.45 of a kilogram. So if you had a bag of flour, it would be about half that amount. An ounce, now that is very small. That is around 0.03 kilograms, which is about 15 ounces make up a pound. Okay? And a ton, which is the biggest measurement, is 1016.05 kilograms. That is huge. Now most people when they look at pounds, they'll be thinking, hang on a minute, well pounds is a currency. Well yes, but how else do you think that term comes from? That actually refers to how much weight in gold that coin is or note is worth. So if you have a £10 note, that actually means that that note is worth 10 pounds of gold. There you go, little bit of trivia. Now let's do some conversions. Here's one to start with. How many stones make up a ton? So we know that 1 ton is 1016.05 kilograms. And we know that 1 stone is 6.35 kilograms. So to find out how many stones, we divide 1016.05 by 6.35. Now when you do that you will get a big number, so I'm going to do it to 2 decimal places as per. You will get 160.007874. So 1 ton is the equivalent of 160.01 stone or stones. That's very, very heavy. Bearing in mind the average human is about 11 to 13 stone, that is humongous. Now, let's look at some other conversions. Now, do you remember when I said about the average weight being between 11 to 13 stone? I could be wrong. I just did a bit of research on Google and I found out that the average weight is 197.1 lbs. Now lbs is the same as pounds. That's the way we write it in short. No idea why it's lbs, but another day to do more research. So here's my question. What is this average weight in kilograms, in stone, and in ounces? The reason why I'm not doing it in tons is because, well, let's face it, we're going to get a very, very small number if that's how much it is in just kilograms. So, if 1 pound is if 1 pound is 0.45 kilograms, we need to multiply 0.45 by 197.1. So let's do it now on our calculators, and we'll do it to 2 decimal places, and when you do it to 2 decimal places, you will get 88.70 kilograms. Now, when you do that, we now need to convert it to stone. Now, if 88.7 kilograms is this, 6.35 kilograms make up a stone, we need to divide 88.7 by 6.35. So let's do that now. And you will get to 2 decimal places 13.97 stone. So just under 14 stone. Now how much is that in ounces? Well, if 1 ounce is 0.03 kilograms, you need to divide 88.7 by 0.03. You will get, wow, you will get 2,956.67 ounces. That's a big number for an average weight. So, I was right, it was between 11 to 13, but just shy of 14 stone. So the average weight for men is this. Now, because we've been doing converting from Monday to today, let's now do our challenge. Now, I will admit that I do consider myself to be a little bit over the weight I wanted. I will admit this. And during the course of this lockdown, I've been doing everything I can to lose weight. I have a treadmill downstairs, so I thought, you know what, whenever I get in from work, I'll go for a run and I'll burn those calories and I'll lose some weight. Now, I started this in April, so just a couple of weeks after I started doing these videos. And since then, I've dropped from 15.9 stone to 14.2 stone. So I've lost quite a bit of weight, and I am so happy to do that. But here's my question. How much did I lose in terms of kilograms, pounds, and ounces? And what is my new weight in kilograms, pounds, and ounces? So I'll write it on here. How much did I lose? And my new weight. I want you to answer both of those in kilograms, pounds, and ounces. Good luck, guys, with this. I'm looking forward to seeing what you wrote. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.